Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car dash camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car dash camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Vantrue E33 Channel Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name Vantrue. Display IPS. Camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Max external memory 512G. Number of lenses 3. Pixels 500 mega. Display size 3 inches. GPS logger internal. Interface USB 2.0 Wi-Fi. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer Novatech. Warranty 18 months. Weight 915 grams. Number 4 is Wexune Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name Wexune. Aperture f2.8. Display IPS. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 135 degrees. Max external memory 256G. Number of lenses 3. Imaging sensor GC4653. Pixels 200 mega. Display size 3 inches. Interface Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Operation system Android 8.12 plus 32 GB. Warranty 12 months. As the item number 3, we've selected Vantrue N4. Specifications: brand name Vantrue. Aperture f1.8. Display LCD. View angle 160 degrees. Camera resolution 2560 by 1440. Max external memory 256G. Number of lenses 3. Imaging sensor 5.0 MP comms. Pixels 500 mega. Display size 2.45 inches. Interface HDMI, micro SD, TF. USB port Type-C. Warranty 18 months. Number 2 is 70mm Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name 70mm. Battery capacity 300 mAh. Display IPS. Camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Max external memory 128G. Number of lenses 1. Imaging sensor OS02K10. Pixels 300 mega. Display size 3 inches. GPS logger internal. Interface Bluetooth, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer NT96580. Warranty 1 year. Weight half a kilogram. On the top of our list at number 1 we have TS-Fong M10 Max. Specifications: brand name TS-Fong. Aperture f1.6 plus f1.8. Display IPS. Camera resolution 2560 by 1440. Max external memory 256G. Number of lenses 4. Imaging sensor GC4653. Pixels 1200 mega. Display size 3-5. GPS logger internal. Interface Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer M-Star.